Welcome to our YouTube channel, My Tech Students. To earn money from online tutorials and teaching, you can follow these steps. 1. Identify your expertise. Determine the subject or skill in which you have sufficient knowledge and expertise to teach others. It could be academic subjects, language learning, music, art, programming, or any other area you excel in. 2. Choose a teaching platform. Decide whether you want to teach through an established online teaching platform or set up your own teaching website or channel. A. Online teaching platforms. Platforms like VIPKid, Tutor.com, Preply, or Udemy provide opportunities to connect with students seeking online lessons. Sign up as a tutor or instructor on these platforms, create a profile highlighting your qualifications, experience, and teaching style, and list the subjects or skills you offer to teach. B. Self-hosted teaching. Alternatively, you can create your own website or YouTube channel dedicated to teaching your chosen subject. This gives you more control over your content and allows you to build your brand. You can monetize your website through advertisements, sponsorships, or by offering premium content. 3. Plan your lessons. Develop lesson plans, course outlines, or learning materials that are well organized and engaging. Break down the content into manageable modules or sessions, and consider using multimedia elements like videos, quizzes, or interactive exercises to enhance the learning experience. 4. Promote your teaching services. Regardless of the platform you choose, actively promote your teaching services. Use social media platforms, online forums, or relevant communities to share your expertise and attract potential students. Provide value through free content, offer insights or tips related to your subject, and engage with your target audience. 5. Set competitive pricing. Research the market rates for online teaching in your subject area and set competitive pricing for your lessons. Consider factors such as your experience, qualifications, and the demand for your subject when determining your rates. You can offer different pricing options such as per-hour rates, package deals, or subscription-based models. 6. Deliver high-quality lessons. When conducting online lessons, focus on delivering high-quality content and providing an interactive and engaging learning environment. Be prepared, punctual, and responsive to your students' questions and needs. Encourage active participation and provide constructive feedback to help your students progress. 7. Seek feedback and testimonials. Request feedback from your students after each lesson or course. Positive testimonials and reviews from satisfied students can significantly enhance your reputation and attract more students in the future. 8. Expand your offerings. Continuously improve your teaching skills, update your lesson plans, and expand your offerings. Consider creating additional courses or providing one-on-one coaching or mentoring to cater to different learning needs and preferences. Remember that building a successful online teaching business takes time, patience, and continuous improvement. Be dedicated to providing value to your students, stay up to date with industry trends, and adapt your teaching methods to suit the evolving needs of your students. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the like button and press bell icon.